See the major types of securities, then contracts, currencies, their major distinguishing factors and their subtypes. Okay, we will see them one by one. So let's first see the securities. Securities can be classified as equity securities, debt securities or fixed income securities, and individual securities. Government and corporations, they are the major issuers of individual securities. Okay, and fixed income securities, or otherwise called as debt securities, they are having various maturities like short term maturity, then long term maturity and intermediary maturity. Short term maturity, this fixed income securities are having a maturity less than 1 year to 2 year. Okay, and example is commercial paper. And long term maturity are having a period of 5 years to 10 years or even more. Example is bond. And intermediary securities, their maturity fall between the short term and long term. Example is notes that are issued by the banks. Okay, and repurchase agreement. Repurchase, what is a repurchase agreement? In a repurchase agreement, here the seller sells a high quality asset, okay, and has got the right and obligation to buy it back, okay, at a higher price at any point in the future, and that time can be as less as a 1 day. Okay, then comes the convertible debt. Convertible debt, here the investor exchanges the debt or asset with that of the equity share of the issuing firm. Okay, so that is about the fixed income or debt securities. Next we will see the equity securities. Equity security represent the ownership claim on the firm. Okay, and types are like common stock, preferred stock and warrants. Common stock, these are the claim on firms, residual claim on firm's asset. Okay, and common stockholders will be paid after only after paying the interest to the debt holders and dividend to the, or preferred dividend to the preferred stockholders. Next come the preferred stock. In preferred stock, here the dividend payment schedule is fixed throughout the life of the securities. Okay, next comes the warrants. These are just like the option. Okay, here the investor or the holder can buy the asset at a pre-agreed upon exercise price before the maturity of the warrant. Okay, next we will see the uh, pool of investment vehicles. Okay, here the under this it will come the mutual fund, hedge fund, asset backed security and exchange traded fund. So mutual fund are a pooled investment vehicle where the investors, they purchase share from in purchase shares and invest it in either close ended or open ended funds. And hedge funds are the limited partnerships where the investors are the limited partners and the hedge fund manager are the general partners. And here the investors are having good or excellent this knowledge of investment, are having a great amount of wealth. Okay, and asset backed security, it represents a claim on the on a portion of the pooled investments like car loans, credit card debts, etc. Okay, next we will see the currency. Here currency are issued by the governments of central bank. Okay, and some are called as reserved currency. Okay, and here the currency, the currency will be issued by the governments and central banks worldwide. Okay, then the last one is the contract. Contract is the agreement between two parties. Okay, where the where the exchange of asset or cash will be will take place at a certain point in future. And the examples or types of contracts are forward contract, future contract, swap, option, etc. So in a forward contract, it is an agreement between a buyer and seller where the exchange of asset will take place at a pre-agreed upon date and a pre-agreed upon price at a certain point in the future. Okay, and in future contract, what will happen, it is same as that of forward contract. It is just that it is a standardized one in terms of delivery time, delivery price, and it takes place in a exchange. Okay, so that is about the all securities, currency and the contract. Thank you very much.